Adding coolant to the LTMS. Open the pressure relief cover of the tank. Connect the power cable. Connect the communications cable. Connect the other end of the communications cable to the LTMS signal port. Connect hose A to the coolant inlet. Insert the other end into the coolant bucket and ensure that coolant can be extracted. Connect hose B to the coolant outlet. Install the protective tool. Connect the other end of hose B to the protective tool. Turn off the switch after the operation is complete. Remove the machine pipes and cables. Install the pressure relief cover of the tank.